Hi, everybody. Our book for today is One Big Heart, a celebration of being more alike than different, written by Linsey Davis with Beverly Davis, illustrated by Lucy Fleming. In one itty bitty corner of our great big world is our teeny tiny classroom filled with happy boys and girls. Each one of us is different, cause what fun would it be if I looked like my classmates and they all look like me? Our faces make a rainbow, lots of colors all around, shades of tan and melon skin and even chocolate brown. Some are missing two front teeth, while others smile with dimples. God made each of us unique. It really is that simple. Some have wavy hair on top, while others wear theirs straight. Some sport afros, twist or braids. I think my puff looks great. It really does. Juan is short and Reed is tall. We're every shape and size. Some have freckles on their nose and some have bright blue eyes. God gave us different bodies that can do amazing things. With one arm, Elle does cartwheels and my friend Amanda sings. Sam loves telling stories and wants to learn to read. Noah wears a bright red cape and runs with super speed. Mila plays a princess with a long pink ruffly dress. Asha likes to jump and often make a mess. The bell rings and we head outside for recess in the sun. Our giggles and our laughter show we all like having fun. I see those smiling faces and understand today we are more alike than different in many special ways. We each have rhythm deep inside that makes us want to move. We love to jump, run and jump around and find our playground groove. Back inside for music, we bop to every beat. We wiggle and dance sideways. We clap, then stomp our feet. And afterwards is lunchtime, our favorite time of day. No matter what we choose to eat, our taste buds shout, hooray! Each of us is curious. We can't wait to explore. We ask a lot of questions and then we ask some more. We all like to imagine and let our minds run free, to draw or write or dream about what we'll grow up to be.
This looks like my own.
Yes, it's yours. Shh. We all have great big feelings that don't always stay inside. Sometimes we've gotten angry, sometimes we've sat and cried. Then a friend will cheer us up and fill our lives with joy. We all need friends who give us hugs and share a toy. Oh. But the way we are most alike, the most important part, God gave us all a special gift. We each have one big heart. We've got a lot of elbows, we've got a lot of hands, we've got eyes to help us see and feet so we can stand. But the thing that matters most is something we can't see, the touch of God that's inside you and also inside me. That's the place where kindness grows and where love gets its start. Deep down in our pumping, thumping, one big heart. Our faces make a rainbow, lots of colors all around, shades of tan and melon skin, and even chocolate brown.
Not for mine.
The end. So that's a beautiful story about about us being different yet being so much so alike.
How are you reading my own story?